happy, super duper happy Sunday. Hope all is well, swell, and totally hip and groovy. Totally hip and groovy. In your neck of the woods, man. On my way to go play a little early golf, a little early round of disc golf with my pal, Mr. Ranger Dog. It's a little cool this morning. It's a little damp. It's a little crisp. But that's not going to deter us. It's not raining right now. We had a little rain this morning. About 5:30, about 10-15 minutes worth of little drizzle, and that was it. But most of the rain won't move in until this evening. So today's plans: play some disc golf with Mr. Ranger Dog, do some laundry. I've been invited over to Brother James and Sister Dorothy's house. I've been invited to church with some other friends and all kinds of jazz. So first thing is first, I need to go get spiritual with the disc golf gods. So that's the plan, that's the dealio. So without further ado, let's get this most groovy, excellent, bodacious Sunday fun day started, shall we? Oh, here we are, Mr. Boo Boos. Dolly C Disc Golf Youth Park. There, Mr. Ranger Dog. Alrighty, friends, just enjoying a nice round of disc golf with Mr. Ranger Dog. Even though him's not feeling too good today, he's not having. Some days he has good days, some days he has not so good days, and today's one of those not so good days. But he's still enjoying the Mother Nature, getting out, doing his ranger thing. I know he's not feeling good, but he's enjoying himself. I'm enjoying my time with Mr. Ranger Dog. Alrighty, friends, we're gonna play some golf. I'll see you when I see ya. It's up there though, you gotta look at it. It is what it is. There's camouflage, don't it? Well, at least on camera. As long as this camera don't start that basket on fire, because cameras are known to start fires. Oh, that limb got me. That limb didn't get me. I think I'd have been into the basket. Oh well. It is what it is. It is what it is, huh, Mr. Ranger? Yep, he's having fun. It is what it is. I'm having fun. It's just a nice morning. I'm enjoying my time with my puppy dog friend, Ranger. A little bit of Zen disc golf. All right. That was the most excellent round of disc golf with Mr. Ranger Dog. I sure enjoyed it. I had fun. I had a blast. I really did. So, Mr. Ranger Dog and I are on our way. I gotta run to the dollar store, grab a couple things. Then I think I'm gonna go get me a Little Caesars pizza, one of those nice, large, and nice for the pocket, change-wise pizzas. And then I think I'm gonna come back here to the disc golf park and just post up for a while, eat a pizza, hang out, watch some YouTube, all that groovy jazz. That's the good thing about having your home on wheels. You can basically go anywhere, and everywhere is your home is your backyard it's groovy. It's just groovy. Anywho, we're on our way. Like I said, I gotta grab a couple things at the dollar store, grab me a pizza, and then I'm just gonna post up for the rest of the afternoon, and then go do some laundry. I'll wait till the laundry rush gets over with and go up there this afternoon when there's nobody there and do my laundry at the Route 66 laundromat. I think that's gonna be the plan, but it always can change. Like I said, it always can change. I might go see my friend James, hang out there. Anywho, I'll see you beautiful people when I see you. Ooh, lunchtime in the old VW bus, huh, Mr. Ranger? Alrighty friends, Mr. Ranger Dog and I are winding down for the evening. We hung out here at Brother James and Sister Dorothy's house, got our laundry done, hung out, got some chicken and dumplings and all that groovy jazz. And now Mr. Ranger Dog, he's tired. I'm tired. Thank you, Brother James and Sister Dorothy, once again for giving myself a little bit of food in the belly and a little place to park my VW bus. I appreciate it. Until I see you beautiful people in the morning, Monday, be kind to one another, love one another, and be grateful for every single moment of the day, because you just never know. Peace, love, and always Volkswagen grease.